In this video, I'll show you how to rearrange filters in Shopify collection pages. As you can see in this example, in my store I have 3 filters: availability, price, and brand. Let's assume we need to move the brand filter to the front so it appears first in the filter section. So to make this change, first we'll log into Shopify admin account, then select settings, and then click on apps and sales channels. At the top right corner, click on the Shopify App Store, and then the search type the following: search and discovery. Look for the specific app, Shopify Search and Discovery, and then select install. Once the application was installed, at the bottom left corner, click on Settings, then select Apps and Sales Channels. Find the Search and Discovery app, click on it, and top right corner, click on Open App. Then on the left side of the screen, under Search and Discovery, click on Filters. Here are the 3 filters on my site. To move the brand filter to the first position, simply click on it and drag it to the top, and then save the changes. And of course, the same process applies if you want to rearrange other filters. So once you're done, go back to your website and try refreshing one of the collection pages. And as you can see on the desktop version of the site, the brand filter is now in first position. Now let's take a look at mobile version. For that, let's right click, then select Inspect. Let's switch to responsive design mode. Let's pick Galaxy S20. And now let's open one of the collections. Let's open Sofa Sets collection. Let's open Filters. And as you can notice on the mobile devices, the brand filter is now displayed at the top of the list. So for now, that's all for this video. I hope you found useful. And for more Shopify tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.